Hello everyone, and welcome back to Absan Solution. Is your Windows 11 lagging, or is that loading screen driving you crazy? Don't worry. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple and practical steps to make your computer run as fast as the day you bought it. By following these steps, you can finally say goodbye to slowness. Let's dive into the first step. Step 1. Disable startup apps. The first step is to disable startup apps. Some apps start automatically when you turn on your computer, consuming your RAM and CPU power. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab, identify apps you don't need immediately like Skype or Spotify, right-click them, and select Disable. This will help your computer boot up much faster. Step 2. Clear temp files. The second step is to remove temporary files that are cluttering your system. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the box that appears, type temp and hit enter. Select all the files in that folder and delete them. Do the same again by typing prefetch in the run box and clearing those files as well. Step 3. Adjust visual effects. Windows 11 looks beautiful, but all those animations can slow down your PC. In the search bar, type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and open it. Select the option Adjust for best performance. If you want your text to remain crisp, just check the box for smooth edges of screen fonts. This significantly boosts your graphic speed. Step 4. Turn on Storage Sense. You can actually let Windows 11 clean up unnecessary files for you automatically. Go to Settings, then select System Storage. Toggle Storage Sense to on. This ensures your recycle bin and cache files are cleaned up regularly without you doing a thing. If you follow these 5 steps, you will notice a massive improvement in your computer's speed. If you run into any other issues, let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. For more tech tips and digital solutions, make sure to subscribe to Absan Solution. Until the next video, stay safe and see you soon. Thank you.